Welcome back to the CloudFrontDesk tutorial. In this video, we will learn about how to create a rate ID and create a contract rate from the rate ID. As explained in the previous video, what you need to know about the setup is that rate ID is a group of prices. Special rooms offered by marketing about special rates or groups of rates in the marketing strategy section. How to make a rate, contract rate, which is as follows. From the dashboard we choose marketing, not from setup but from marketing. Then in marketing there is a setup. After this setup is their contract rate. I were contracted. Now in this contract rate is a list of contracts that exist in our hotel. For example, we want to create another ID, new contract rate. Now the honeymoon rate includes anything published. For example, yes, but this should be called honeymoon rate, like this. We just leave it blank. We leave it blank because it has nothing to do with the company. But if, for example, yes, there is a special rate that we give to a special company or travel agent and he has his own rate, so we have to fill in the contact person from this in more detail. Now, it's because now something is published, so I'll leave it blank like honeymoon rate, and we will leave this blank first or submit immediately after we fill it in, so here honeymoon rate will appear. Honeymoon rate like this. After this is filled in the code, rate ID already has HNRT. Now we are fill in the number of returning rates. Maybe this is a special price, so when we fill in the details of the honeymoon rate, we fill it by clicking on the contract rate. This is a contract for the honeymoon rate. Now, it's still empty. After that, we select the default rate from the post revenue that has been posted. We previously created the ad rate. We choose this. We choose from what we have prepared at the default that we chose yesterday's fault in the revenue post. For example, if the standard twin room is a special price, we choose like this the original price, high OK, but for the honeymoon rate, the published price is 120 for the honeymoon rate. The price is only 110, for example. Once we fill in 110, submit now. Like this, so when we select the honeymoon rate, we choose the standard room automatically. The price that comes out is 110. Then, for example, the deluxe one is okay, then we give the price. The rate is cheaper, this is 130, for example, only the honeymoon rate, for example, but the high season for the standard twin room can't 110. High season, this is 100 plus more expensive, for example 130, so I choose standard twin. Still, now there are two standard twin rooms. Yes, there are two, but this is the high season. I wrote here, high season, RP, the price is even more expensive. From the publish rate, for example, it's like that if, high well, so when we choose the honeymoon rate for the standard twin room class, then there will be a choice, whether high season or low season like that, then there is a choice. The price is already split by the system like that and so on. When we add a new rate, we choose from the default we choose then OK, then we determine what the price is only what is included in the name is the rate of the honeymoon rate, it's in the contract rate. Now it's like this. That's how to enter the ID rate and the contract rate so that later when you make a reservation like this, for example, add single reservations. Now when you choose the honeymoon rate, it's like this. Then the system has automatically saved the contract rate that we selected earlier, so immediately, he chooses the price that has been determined at the honeymoon rate. So about the contract rate setup. Hopefully it can be understood. Please try it for the rate at your hotel. Thank you.